For this question, this is an area and perimeter question. The figure on the left is made up of a rectangle and two right angle triangles. So you can see these are the right angle triangles, and of course the middle is the rectangle. Find its area, and then B, find its perimeter. So area, you know that the formula for area means for area of rectangle, okay, I need to find out my length times my breadth. Let's look at the rectangle. So for the rectangle, the length is this 20. This is my length. And then my breadth is this 12. Okay, so it's easy lah. And just take 20 times 12. Okay, so remember you need to put in the units as centimeters squared because it is units. So it's 240 cm squared. I do not stop there because I still have two right angles to find the area. Okay, so area of triangles equals to half times base times height. So if you look at the triangle, the base is this and the height is this. You must always look at the right angle. Okay, when you want to know where is the base and the height, look at the right angle. The right angle will tell you where the joint is. So when the two portion join, so you can see this and this join up, right? So you can see it's joined by this right angle. Then the base will be here and then the height will be here. Okay, it will not be the opposite one. It cannot be this one is the height. Cannot be. The height is always joined by the base by the 90-degree or on in line with the 90-degree. Understand? Sometimes it's further off. Okay. So what do we have there? We have half times base is 8 and height is 18. Okay. So we can actually cancel this. All right, and I will get 72 cm squared. Then what do? We actually find the total area, we add up together. So total area equals to 240 cm squared plus 72 cm squared equals to your answer of 3 8. Sorry, forget. You need to times 2 here because there's two triangles. There's two triangles, right? So here must times 2. Then here must plus another 72 cm squared. Okay. Or you can erase this and then you can put the 72 times 2 first. We have 144. 144 cm squared. And then you put 144 here and your answer will be 384 centimeters squared. Done. Now, perimeter. Find its perimeter. You should know that the perimeter is actually outside. Okay, 12, 18, 8, another 12, 8, 18, like this. Okay, so the perimeter is 12 cm, this one, plus 18 cm, plus 8 cm, plus, this one is 12 cm, 12 cm, plus 8 cm, plus 18 cm. And this will give you 76 cm answer.